So that bridge is making that noise?
Yeah, that's the Golden Gate Bridge.
Okay, so the Golden Gate Bridge, they say, is making a noise.
Yes. Part of it is because there's no cars on the bridge. Now you can finally hear the noise the bridges are making.
Bridges don't make noise.
Of course they do.
No.
Yeah, they're made to sway in the wind, especially in San Francisco. If there's an earthquake, they need to be able to move with the earth a little bit, you know?
Okay, but that doesn't mean they make noise.
Yeah, that's the wind going through the bridge.
It's aliens.
It's aliens inside the bridge?
It's aliens inside the bridge. Yep, see? It's aliens. You can't tell me that's not aliens. It's really close to Area 51, so I think it's aliens.
That kind of makes sense if it wasn't so stupid. But, I mean, you might as well just say it's ghosts in the bridge of people that were buried in the concrete when they were making the bridge happen.
I would believe that, too.
Of course you would.
But no, okay, so you're not going to believe aliens are making this noise and ghosts of people that built the bridge, but you're going to believe the bridge makes the noise all by itself.
Yeah. Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense. It's a ghost. How about Bigfoot? Does Bigfoot make that noise? That sounds like Bigfoot.
Listen, it's very simple. Okay, the way they do with bridges, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when they build a bridge, they have to have a grooved pavement for traction, like if it's raining or whatever.
Uh-huh.
Right? So the surface, the road surface, because it has that traction, the grooves produce a whistle when you drive on them. And then a lot of bridges produce these sorts of noises from wind blowing. I'm telling you.
Okay. Have you driven across the George Washington Bridge?
Many times.
Okay. You seen how big that bridge is, how high off the ground it is?
Uh-huh.
There's no way men can make that bridge. It's impossible. So aliens had to make that bridge. You've never seen a bridge being made. Never.
Yes, I have.
No,
in
you
fact,
have not.
I have.
No.
In fact, they were building a bridge next to another bridge.
No, they weren't.
As you go over one bridge, they're building the second one. Yes.
Okay,
the Tappan Zee. I mean, they're just all over New York. They rebuild bridges.
You can rebuild a bridge, but the aliens built it first. That's the only way they could get all that concrete across that water.
There's literally videos of people building bridges.
No, there's not.
Yes, if you go to YouTube, you can watch
That's
major bridges being built.
If I go to YouTube, I can watch Godzilla take out Tokyo also.
Okay, they don't like build it somewhere else and then bring it over and plunk it down like one of those prefab houses. They build it piece by piece.
I can't hear you. The bridge is talking to me. Sorry. It's the bridge is talking to me. Dumbest thing we've ever talked about.
Is it telling you that it wants you to take it to your leader? Because
can't hear you.
This is not a good time to go to our leaders. They're sort of busy right now.